Before we get started, make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification to be notified every single time I post another video. I'm Stendal, by the way, and I need you to click the links in the description box below, or just look in the description box if you're interested in these pretty twists that I'm putting in my head on today. This was so quick and easy, and this is how my scalp looks after I take braids out. If you are cleansing your scalp properly, you are good. I am now repairing my scalp from the latest HS outbreak that I had in my scalp. Make sure you check the links in the description box below if you're interested in learning what HS is and, you know, my journey with it and how I've been dealing with it my whole life, all that stuff. Links in the description box below. But we're coming along really good. I'm going to be trimming my hair and coloring it and all of that stuff, so you guys can get a length check coming soon. This video is actually pretty old, so this isn't even the true length of my hair at this moment, but I'm gonna do some pretty simple braids, and I'm not using edge control, guys, because of the outbreak that I'm having in my scalp. The very last thing I want to do is block my follicles, so I'm not using edge control to put them in. I use edge control, but I always clean it off at night, so it's self-explanatory. Just keep watching. I ain't saying nothing else. Check the links in the description box. Bye.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are common, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool?